In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an object's origin to its geometry in Blender. Before we start, a quick note on what the origin is. In Blender, the origin is the small orange dot that represents an object's pivot point. It's the reference Blender uses for moving, rotating, scaling, snapping, and parenting. If your object behaves oddly when you transform it, like rotating around a strange point, the origin is usually the reason. Setting the origin to the center of the object's geometry is a simple way to make transformations feel predictable and precise. Begin by selecting the object you want to adjust. Click it directly in the 3D viewport so it highlights, or select it from the outliner if that's easier. Make sure you're in object mode. The origin can only be changed there, not in edit mode. With the object selected, right-click in the 3D viewport to open the context menu. Right-clicking here ensures you're targeting the object inside the 3D space, not a panel or another editor. From the menu that appears, choose Set Origin. This reveals several options for placing the origin. We're going to pick Origin to Geometry, click that, and Blender will move the object's origin to the center of its actual mesh. You'll see the orange dot jump to the middle of the object's geometry, while the object itself stays exactly where it is in the scene. This does not move the mesh in world space, it only repositions the pivot point relative to the mesh. A few helpful details to keep in mind. The new origin location is based on the object's geometry as a whole, so if your mesh contains multiple disconnected pieces inside a single object, Blender finds the center of all of them combined. If your model is asymmetrical or has a lot of empty space on one side, the calculated center will reflect that. After setting the origin, try a small rotation to confirm everything pivots the way you expect. If you ever need the origin somewhere else, say on a specific vertex or a precise spot in your scene, remember that other options exist, like moving the origin to the 3D cursor. For today's task, though, origin to geometry is the quick, reliable choice for centering the pivot on your mesh. That's all there is to it. Select your object, right-click in the 3D viewport, choose Set Origin, then Origin to Geometry, and your object's pivot will be centered on its mesh for more intuitive transformations. Thanks for watching and happy blending.